time being, though, he's preoccupied with the missing centre console. His quest to buy one has proved fruitless. However, he has managed to borrow one. So he's off to the printers. The printers? Yes, the 3D printers.
Right, what's the plan then? What do we do?
We're going to scan this with the Artec scanner.
Okay.
And that'll generate a 3D model of this part so that you can take it back and put it back in the car, and then we'll have that data stored forever.
Fantastic. So that's the scanner then?
This is the scanner, yeah.
So is the flash a photo? Every flash is a photo?
Every flash is a photo. The data's not as good as I'd like it to be, though.
What do you mean? Why not?
Well, it's a bit grainy. It'd be better if I just, I'd pop some of this spray paint on.
Whoa. What's
What's the matter?
we can't, this isn't mine.
It'll evaporate, calm down. So you put the paint on to allow it to capture the data.
Right, okay, so I can see that is a pretty sharp image now.
So yeah, so that's much better. So every measurement that we need, every radius, every angle, every piece of data is being captured by the scanner.
Right, so can we see the printing?
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it.
So we send it straight over to the PC, straight through the network. So if I just import it, so this is the build volume that we've got to work with, and I'll just see if it fits, which it does. So there we go.
Oh my word, that is just so weird. It looks so clean as well.
Yeah.
This is instant, and you can start that thing printing straight away.
Pretty much, yep. So I'll just check that the build layers look right. The peach indicate where we're going to support it, so we don't want it to fall over, and we don't want any material delaminating.
Hang on, right, so what do you mean, support it in what way?
So we're just making sure that any overhangs are supported, so that when we're building it, we've got something there to help it, and then we can get rid of that support material afterwards. Yeah.
It's not just me that's massively impressed by this. I mean, surely this is mind-blowing, isn't it? I mean...
So I'll press print. So I'll press that now, and that's going to send the data over to this printer. I'll check that we've got the build tray in. I'll check that we've got enough material, which we've got 2 green lights. That's good to go. And then we can just press build. So away we go.
Instead of ink, a 3D printer uses liquid plastic, slowly, layer by layer, building up an exact clone of your scanned original. And for our look-alike centre console, 42 hours and a quick wash, and it's perfect to the micron.